Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Warzone 3 not launching on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum requirements for Warzone 3. Insufficient specs can cause crashes or loading issues. Second step, you just need to verify game files. To do this, open up Steam or battle.net, right click on the game and select properties. Select install files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, just close stuff here. Third step, you just need to update graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed in your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD write-down software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just close stuff here. Fourth step, you just need to disable overlays. You just need to turn off overlays in apps like Discord, Steam or GeForce Experience as they can conflict with the game. To close that, just need to click on the system tray. If anything is running in the background, just right click on it and select exit it. And after that, you can try launching the game. Fifth step, you just need to run as administrator. To do this, open up Steam, right click on the Call of Duty and select manage and select browse local files. In here, you just need to scroll down. You can able to see the Call of Duty.exe file over here. Just right click on it and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select disable full screen automatizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can try launching the game in here just by double clicking on it and check if the problem solved or not. Sixth step, you just need to switch to DirectX 11. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the Call of Duty and select properties. Now check my video description for this launch option. Just to copy and paste it in under launch options and just to close stuff here. And now you can restart the game. Seventh step, you just need to disable background apps. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. You just need to end unnecessary processes consuming resources. You just need to right click on them and select an end task. After that, just to close stuff here. Eighth step, you just need to adjust virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. Select advanced. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. After that, select custom size. Now you just need to find out how much RAM installed on your PC. To know that, you just need to go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here, you can able to see how much RAM installed on your PC. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now check my video description for this values used in my video. Installer size and maximum size. Now copy the value depends on your RAM. In my case, I have 16 GB RAM. Copy the installer size and paste it. And the same way, the maximum size, copy the value depends on your RAM. After that, paste it. Now you just need to select the set option. Now the value should be set under paging file size. Select OK, select apply and OK, select OK. Now select the restart now option and restart your PC. Ninth step, you just need to disable third-party antivirus temporarily. Antivirus settings can block Warzone. To do this, click on the system tray. If any third-party antivirus is running in the background, just right click on it and select disable it. After that, you can check if the game launches. 10th step, you just need to reinstall the Warzone 3. If none of the above works, you just need to consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the Call of Duty and select manage and select uninstall. After getting uninstalled done, just need to select the install option and install your PC. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Warzone 3 not launching problem on Windows PC. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.